Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another video over here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some free apps and websites that you can use right now in order to make some money online. Now guys, I have done the research, I have looked into the websites whether or not these are legitimate ways of making money online and legitimate websites and not some scammy websites, alright? So you don't have to do that research on your own. Of course, you are more than welcome to do your own research, but I have done it so you don't have to waste the time and you can start making some money online right now. Alright, now guys, if you are new to the channel, this channel is all about making money online with various forms, mainly through affiliate marketing. So if you are interested in that, consider subscribing. And guys, if you will like this video and you will find some value in it, consider liking and giving some comments down below, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can spread the information and the video to as many people as possible. So without further ado guys, let's get straight into it. So the first website that we're going to talk about is called Earnably. Alright, Earnably.com. As you can see, we have digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos and taking surveys. It's that easy. Now guys, these websites will enable you not only to take some actions or tasks, but it will help you or enable you to earn money watching videos, which is amazing because you can just open the video in a tab, and just leave it and go along with your everyday life. Do whatever you want, go for a lunch, do some house chores, go play with your family, with your friends, whatever you might be, and you can still make some money. Now guys, a huge disclaimer before we get into anything. Alright, these ways, alright, none of these websites is going to make you rich. It's not going to make you leave your 9-to-5 job or you will not start making thousands of dollars a month. All right, this is more kind of like some small help that you can earn kind of like on a side, where there is not much work or action required from you. All right, this is more of something where you can help yourself to generate some extra cash so you can build your own business. All right, if you want something like that, this is more of like to help you maybe get some course that will teach you to build your own business or something like that. Okay, this is not going to make you rich or get out of the 9-to-5 job. All right, so that's a huge thing, just to make sure, because I don't want to hear from you that, oh, I'm not making that kind of money and so on and so forth. Yes, you're not, but it's going to help you if you're going to do all those things without much effort on your side. All right, so stick with me, let's get into it. So Earnably.com, apart from completing some tasks, is going to allow you to watch videos and get paid by watching these videos. As I said, you can just leave the video open, alright, play it, and you can do whatever you want apart from that, and you can still make some money. Now, if this is not something you want to do, or this is not something so interesting for you, you can still do some tasks and take surveys if you want so. All right, surveys will take you a little bit more time, but if you want so, they are also very well paid. Now, here are the ways how you can get paid. Here we have PayPal, which is one of the most favorite ways how to get paid, but if you want something else, you can get paid by Amazon gift cards and all of these other ways how to get paid. So all of that is fine. Now guys, here on the Trustpilot, we see that Earnably has excellent reviews, right? 801 people have reviewed Earnably up so far, and it has 4.7 stars out of 5, which is excellent, like seriously excellent. Only, what is it, 4.2, so that's around 9% of people have not reviewed Earnably as excellent or great, which is just a huge number of people. All right, so 91% of people are pretty much reviewing Earnably as 5 or 4%. So that's really huge, and that's great. So it is a trustable website, and many people are actually really satisfied with this. Now let's get into the second website, which is called Idle Empire. All right, idle-empire.com. This website again enables you to earn points, which you can later on transfer into paper money. All right, now it is points first of all, but the most important thing is that the earns, you know, the points that you need in order to transfer it to paper money is very low, right? Or very low in order to for PayPal or other ways. If you want, for example, bitcoins or other cryptocurrency, you can get it for, let's say, I think around 10 cents. All right, 10 cents. Let me just check. Yes, so Bitcoin is around 10 cents, and 10 cents, as you can see over here, and other cryptos are also around 10 cents. And if you want PayPal, then you will have to earn a little bit more points, but it is from $3 USD. So you can definitely earn it in less than in 1 day. Okay, less than 1 day. So it's really good. Now guys, what you can earn points, as you can see over here, we offer multiple ways to earn points: complete tasks and offers, watch videos, play mobile games, test software, or invite your friends to Idle Empire. So definitely loads of other ways. As you can see over here, you've got some surveys. Here are some offer walls from trusted partners, offers, videos to watch, referrals, promotions, and all of that stuff. All right, so this is really a trustable website. Let's just have a look at what is it, Trustpilot, right? What Trustpilot does say about Idle Empire. Let's just look into it over here. And as you can see, Idle Empire is even better than Earnably. It is 4.8 stars out of 5, which is just like wow, amazing. All right, reviews, almost 9,000 reviews, as you can see over here. 92% people reviewed it as excellent, only 7% people are as great, and pretty much the last percent is the average, poor, and bad. All right, so it is really huge and great websites for you to use. Okay, as you can see over here, let me just go back over here. Here are the ways how you can make and earn money. Here you can have Bitcoin, PayPal, other ways, you know, Steam is very popular, Amazon gift cards, all right, all of the other ways. If you like, you know, Xbox, whatever, you can get paid by that as well. So here are the different ways. Yes, it is firstly they are points, but pretty much after doing few tasks, you can convert it into real money. So it's really, really good. All right, guys, so that's our number 2, and let's go into this third one, which is called surveytime.io. Okay, SurveyTime, it is all about pretty much surveys, right? But what is great about it is that you get instantly rewarded with pretty much $1 for every survey you complete, which is great, right? You can, if you sit down to this, you can make some really good money just from completing some surveys. All right, surveys you want when you need them. All right, we'll show you how in less than 1 minute. Now, what is great about SurveyTime is that you can also do affiliates. All right, you can become an affiliate for SurveyTime, and you can pretty much earn as an ambassador of SurveyTime, and you can make some money as an affiliate marketer from SurveyTime. All right, this is going to be even better money because affiliate marketing is way better way of, you know, or more lucrative way than just completing this service. So you can earn it as well as that. Now let's just have a quick look at SurveyTime in Trustpilot. All right, I'm just going to copy it and just put it over here, and we're going to look, surveytime.io, and surveytime.io has 4.5 stars out of 5. It has 7.8 thousand reviews, which is still excellent numbers. All right, 77% reviewed it as excellent, 11% as great, and pretty much 6, 8, 11% or so if my math is correct, 11% reviewed it as average, poor or bad, right? So survey time is really good and trustable option for you to earn some money online. Now guys, none of it is going to help you if you're not going to take action on it, all right? It all depends on what are your goals, what you want to achieve, all right? This is, you know, just some platforms for you to use if you want to earn some if cash is something that you are missing, all right? As I said in the beginning, this is not going to make you rich. This is not going to probably, you know, achieve your goals or dreams, but it's a platform for you to use in order to earn and pretty much get those goals and make them reality, all right? If cash is kind of like the problem you're missing, these are the platforms you can start using in your free time, and you can just use it, you know, and earn some good money. Again, survey time, all right, surveys, $1 per survey, you can easily earn even $20 per day, all right? And that's some good money if, you know, if you want to build on something of your own. All right guys, now guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get tremendous value. Again, please, if you did so, give me thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, all right? And if you are interested in making some tremendous money online, if you want to build your own affiliate marketing business and you want to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing in general, then I have a free 4-day video series where I talk about it in great detail, and you can get it completely for free and full access to it. In the description below is the first link over there. So if you click on it, I will see you inside of it, and you will learn more about affiliate marketing. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys.